everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the water bottle for kids. This product has 3 different colors in 2 sizes to fit various needs. For more convenience for children, this bottle has a handle on the top, a straw inside, and a non-slip silicone sleeve at the bottom. Also, it is made of double-walled stainless steel materials to keep the drink's temperature. As you can see, this product meets all the needs of kids. Okay, let's go for the design part. You must have a template before you start designing. For bottles, I usually make them 3 mm higher than their original height for easier printing, and the width is no changes. So, we prepare 2 sizes of templates for you to use. Next, based on the templates, let's talk about what kind of design will be suitable for it. You can see the template is simple rectangle shape, so you can design it freely. Here are some design tips I would like to share with you. First, choose the correct template you need and put your design in the blue area, which is the printing area. Make sure the width of your design is not beyond the blue line. Second, your important elements are put in the safety area, the orange area, like your name, class, or photos, etc. Otherwise, your design will be print failure. Third, our template is cover the whole printing area, so you will see your design will cover the bottom part like this. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Daisy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message at below, or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us. Let's make life memorable.